Hello and welcome. My name is Romney and I'd love to be able to help you out with your online course development. My journey started about 3.5 years ago with online courses that started on the back of creating self-publishing books with Amazon and Ingram Spark and Drafter Digital, and I've then turned that knowledge into online courses which I sell through the Thinkific platform, along with some other platforms as well like Udemy and Skillshare. But with Thinkific, I've been able to generate a base of about 20,000 students. The online revenue is fantastic, and the benefit of Thinkific is you get greater control over all aspects of your courses. So you can control the pricing structure, you can control coupons, you can control the memberships, you can create that ongoing passive income from it. Whereas if you use platforms like Udemy or Skillshare, a lot of that control is lost. And it's actually one of the key reasons why I moved from working with publishers to publish my books to self-publishing, where I had more control over the direction I wanted to take and how that was going to work. So in this quick video, what I wanted to do is to show you some of the courses that I have on my own platform, how I've been able to create bundles and membership offers and create that ongoing revenue. And also we can talk more about that opportunity for a free one-on-one coaching session. Now that would occur if you happen to take out a Thinkific membership and you're a paid subscriber for either an annual plan or a monthly plan. You complete a Google form, which I'll leave a link in below. You complete that, all the details, that comes back to me. I can then look up and log into my dashboard to see everything's confirmed. Then we organize our one-on-one coaching session. And that coaching session can be about anything. Like you might be in the fitness industry and wanting to create something about that. You might be a self-publisher and want to create courses about self-publishing with Amazon KDP. You might be in the finance world and want to create some courses around that element. And online courses are an excellent way to connect with customers, to create that ongoing income, and I thoroughly enjoy making them. And what it does is it allows you to get scale. So you can create an online course, and I've created courses 3 years ago that continue to sell today. You can update them, you can communicate information out to your customer base, you can get contact details and emails from those that subscribe or purchase your courses. You can increase the price, decrease the price, create discount coupons, all of that. And so within Thinkific, you can create all of that information and you can control all of that as well. So let me show you my dashboard. Let's go through a few things there, revert back, and we can talk finally about some of the other benefits that you can get if you are creating courses, particularly on the Thinkific platform, which I personally use. So anyway, let's get on to things now. So at the moment, I've got my courses which are set up in my library just here. So what I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 courses all up so far. One in draft, which I probably need to delete now. But you can see how I've got these nicely set up. Now, if I wanted to look at the different sales and the different bundles that I've got organized, then I can just click on bundles, and this will actually bring together the membership bundle that I've got right here. You can also create coupons, which are nice and easy, so that actually gives you a discount. I won't click on that because that'll actually show you all the codes that are there. Then you can also go to users, so that'll actually provide all the users, all the people that are in your all the students that are there. Again, I don't want to give away personal information, so I don't want to click on this and show you all their email address details. You can create quizzes and surveys. You can check out the reviews that are there. There's also analytics, integration, so you can click on integrations, and that will give you an opportunity to, say, connect with ConvertKit or Zoom or MailChimp. There's a few different there. You can view them all if you want to, and you can integrate that, which I have with ConvertKit. So there's a lot of different things you can do. You can set up affiliates if you want to. So if you want people to sell your courses, you can do that. But it's so easy to create a course. So if you go to courses and you want to create a brand new course, just go add new course. I'll provide the link to my free 2-hour training course, which is right here, and you can actually go through that, and everything's provided in that course. So I'm just trying to think how many sections there are. I think there's 3 or 4 sections. So planning your course, the upload process, course design and marketing, a final look before going live. There's bonus information there. So that's the free course that I provide. Building landing pages is easy. You can jump on there and it'll guide you through. It's almost like designing a very, very simple website. So you've got the course banner, you've got curriculum, you've got the instructors, which you can add in information there. You can add different instructors. You can do checklists, which are different things that people will get as part of the course or what they'll learn. There are different blocks you can add, checklist items. It's very, very simple, very easy to navigate through, and it's a great way of being able to set up your courses and make them available to people all across the world. The great thing is, if you wanted to change the pricing structure, for example, let's just go to the Publishing Accelerator. You go on here and you can go to pricing, and you can do a one-time payment. You can do a subscription membership. You can do monthly plans as well. You can create different additional pricing structures. So you can do all of that as part of Thinkific. You can have after purchase content that goes out. You can drip feed the information. You can do bulk import of different file types and things too. It really is very, very easy, and as I said, that free training will be provided to show you through all of those different steps as well. But that's just my platform at the moment with Thinkific. It's been amazing, so easy to navigate through. And if you use my link, as I mentioned, I'll give you free coaching and actually teach you sort of how this has come together for me, and how I've been able to navigate Thinkific to develop it to be an amazing online platform with my courses, to host my courses, and also create a passive income stream. So if you're keen to utilize my experience of publishing so many courses and having so many students, and you wish to use my affiliate link for Thinkific, then I'd love to hear from you. So make sure you use the Google form with the link below in the description, and it would be great to catch up for that one-to-one consultation. Anyway, until my next video, I'll look forward to seeing you then.